The equipment used in this practical includes a spatula, plastic pipette, Erlenmeyer flask, chemical beaker, weighing bottle, steering rod, analytical balance, and stopwatch or timer. Meanwhile, the material used are solid mangan dioxide, 7.5% hydrogen peroxide solution, liquid soap, yeast, aqua dash, and food coloring as an optional extra.
The first step is to weigh the mangan dioxide solids with mass variation using an analytical balance. After weighing, each sample is placed in a labeled weighing bottle. Each mangan dioxide sample was then dissolved using 3 ml of aqua dash and stirred until fully mixed. Then 5 ml of 7.5% hydrogen peroxide solution is prepared of a Erlenmeyer flask, to which 1 ml of liquid soap is added and mixed until homogeneous. The mangan dioxide solution is then added to the Erlenmeyer flask containing the hydrogen peroxide and soap mixture. The timer is switched on at the moment. The reaction time is calculated until the solid foam reaches the mouth of the Erlenmeyer flask. The same steps were repeated for the other mangan dioxide catalyst mass variation, namely 0.05 and 0.1 grams. The second experiment was conducted using yeast as the catalyst. First, yeast was weighed in multiples of 0.025 grams, 0.1 grams, and 0.05 grams. After weighing, each sample of yeast was dissolved in 3 ml of distilled water and stirred until homogeneous. Next, 5 ml of 7.5% hydrogen peroxide solution was prepared in an Erlenmeyer flask. Then 1 ml of liquid soap and 1 drop of food coloring were added, and the mixture was stirred until homogeneous. The reaction rate was tested by adding the yeast solution to the hydrogen peroxide and soap mixture while starting the timer. The time was then recorded until the solid foam reached the mouth of the Erlenmeyer flask and the timer was stopped. The same steps were repeated for the other yeast mass variations. Based on the observation for the mangan dioxide catalyst, a mass of 0.025 grams produced a reaction time of 34 seconds. A mass of 0.05 grams produced a reaction times of 26 seconds. And a mass of 0.1 grams produced a reaction times of 7 seconds. For the yeast catalyst, the reaction times was measured as follows: 0.025 grams 10 seconds, 0.05 grams 4 seconds, and 0.1 grams 2 seconds. Based on the experiments conducted, it can be concluded that the more catalyst used, the faster the reaction rate. In addition, the yeast catalyst produced a faster reaction rate than mangan dioxide catalyst, as evidence for the shorter time required to form foam.